Welcome to my channel. I wanted to share how I get my rotating stats for my Twitch streams. You can use it for other platforms that use StreamElements, like YouTube and any other streaming platforms that you can connect to StreamElements with. At least that's my understanding of it. I've only tried it for Twitch, but since it's an overlay widget, I assume that you can use it for more than just Twitch. The widget is called Events Rotator, but I call it my sliding stats. It's free, looks nice, and is mostly easy to use. If you're very new to things like this, it might take some time and patience while you're figuring out the settings and stuffs. If you've done similar things with widgets on StreamElements, it won't be difficult to go through the settings. I want to show you how to add the Events Rotator widget to your StreamElements overlay. Go to StreamElements. Once you're in your dashboard, click on Streaming Tools in the left side panel. Select Overlays in the drop-down box. All of your overlays will show up right here. You can either start a new overlay or select a current one that you're already using. To find the widget, go to Overlays Gallery right underneath where you selected Overlays. It's on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the Widgets tab, and you can use the search bar or scroll until you see the Events Rotator. Click Create and choose whether you want to create a new overlay or add to an existing one. After you add the widget, you'll see text notes for it on your overlay editor. You don't need to keep those. You can hide them, which I'm pretty sure they're already hidden by default, or you can delete them. There's a lot of options when it comes to customization. Click on the widget under Layers, then click on the settings under that. Scroll down to see the different settings. You can have up to 12 slides. You can choose what they display, what their colors are, how long they appear, and more. Play around with the settings until you have it the way you want it, and don't forget to save your overlay when you're finished. Very important. I use OBS with my StreamElements. I'll put both website links in the description if you're interested. I don't use the StreamElements plugin for the OBS when it comes to my overlay. If you want to see how I put my StreamElements overlay into my OBS for my Twitch stream, let me know in the comments. Also, let me know if you want to see how I have my settings set up for this widget. Don't forget to feed the algorithm with the like button and subscribe for more stuff and things. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the salt. I'm just
I say it's spirit or Oni. If it was demon it would came out earlier.
Something happened with the salt.
I think I'm gonna go with spirit.
Can I pick it up? No. I love the love. Shit. Fuck. I'm gonna die. Don't let me die. Shit. Shit. I fucking died. No! Right, Claire, I didn't appreciate my seasoning.